see someone with long, beautiful tresses, it is difficult not to feel envious, more so when you learn that they were born with beautiful hair while you are saddled with dull and scratchy hair. That is why you need to learn how to make your hair soft and silky. Hair that is frizzy, unruly, and lackluster is typical among women all over the world. 1. Apply an egg mask. Egg masks are among the most used home remedies, and they're used to achieve shiny, smooth hairs supported by scientific studies. Egg yolks contain hair growth peptides and help improve the overall health of hair. Moreover, the fatty acid content of eggs helps nourish and moisturize hair, making it shiny. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut, olive, or vitamin E oil with 2 eggs and ½ cup of yogurt or honey. You can also use egg-based mayonnaise if you are out of eggs. Wet your hair and massage this mixture on the scalp and hair. Rinse after 30 minutes with cold water and shampoo your hair as usual. 2. Oil your hair. Oiling regularly is highly useful in bringing back shine and health in your hair. Several oils may be useful, including coconut, Moroccan argan, olive, jojoba, sunflower, almond, and avocado oils. These oils have a high fatty acid content that can help moisturize dry hair. How to use. Slightly warm any of the oils and massage into your hair and scalp. Leave it overnight or shampoo your hair after 30 minutes. Mix any of the oils in your conditioner and use. 3. Rinse your hair with coffee. The use of coffee can boost hair health and growth. The polyphenols and bioflavonoids in coffee are thought to help make your hair smooth, shiny, and soft. Moreover, coffee can help moisturize the hair and improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. How to use. Massage damp hair with cooled, brewed coffee and allow it to sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Mix brewed coffee with your leave-in conditioner and use. 4. Use avocado. Substantial anecdotal evidence supports the efficacy of avocado in improving hair health, although scientific evidence is lacking. The vitamin and fatty acid present in avocado are believed to impart shine to hair and make it look healthy. How to use. Mash 1 avocado and mix in 2 tablespoons of olive or almond oil. You can also add a ripe, mashed banana to this. Apply the mixture on slightly damp hair from roots to ends. Wash your hair after 30 minutes. 5. Use honey. Honey is a natural humectant that can help hydrate and lock in moisture in the hair. Well-hydrated hair appears soft and shiny. How to use. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of almond or olive oil with organic honey. Apply the mixture to your hair. Rinse your hair after 15 minutes.